Hello students, now you are going to learn one of the most important topic in your first PSC regarding PU or CET or JE main or advanced, that is coordinate geometry and straight lines. Let us discuss the important note points and also formulas and concept and synopsis regarding these two topics, coordinate geometry and straight lines. Afterwards, I will solve 10 important examples for your coming KCET. Let us start the class now. So when it comes to this coordinate geometry and straight lines, okay, we'll start with the formula, distance formula. That means the distance between origin and any point P of x1 comma y1 is square root of x1 square plus y1 square. If this is an origin 0 comma 0 and this is a point P of x1 comma y1, then we will consider the distance between this origin and the point P, OP, will consider as square root of x1 square plus y1 square. Next, the distance between 2 points, okay, the distance between 2 points, let it be A and let it be B. This is x2 comma y2 and this is x1 comma y1. Distance between these two, for the formula is square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Next, coming to section formula, the coordinates of the point P of x comma y dividing the line segment joining the 2 points A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2. Okay, if it divides internally in the ratio m is to n, for example, these are 2 points, this is let it be A x1 y1 and B as x2 comma y2, and P is the point x comma y which divides internally in the ratio m is to n, and it is given by P of x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. If it divides externally in the ratio m is to n, then that is given by P of x comma y is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. As it is like this is A, okay, this is B and this is some P x comma y. If it divides, okay, in the ratio m is to n, then we will consider as, so this is the way to find the point P. Next, if that point P is the midpoint of AB, the point P is midpoint of AB as x comma y, this is x1 y1 and x2 y2, then to find the point P, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is regarding section formulas. In that m is to n ratio internally, m is to n ratio externally. If here this midpoint is nothing but m is to n is nothing but 1 is to 1. If it is in this ratio, this is the midpoint formula. Next, centroid of a triangle. The point of intersection of medians is called centroid of a triangle. The centroid of triangle whose vertices are given x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Okay. Okay, this point will consider as centroid. So that means point of intersection of medians is called center of triangle. So that formula is g is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. For example, if these are ABC points, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Next, in center of a triangle, the point of intersection of the internal bisectors of the angles of a triangle is called incenter, denoted by if ABC are lengths of sides of a triangle whose vertices are respectively. That incenter formula is ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c, when ABC are lengths of sides of a triangle given. Okay. Next, circumcenter of a triangle. Point of intersection of right bisectors of sides of triangle are called circumcenter of a triangle. Next, orthocenter. Point of intersection of altitudes, lines through the vertices and perpendicular to opposite. So that center will consider as orthocenter of a triangle. Next, area of a triangle. The area of a triangle ABC with vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3, then that is denoted by delta. We know that That is the formula of is equal to x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. While finding area of a triangle, if those 3 points are collinear, here collinear in the sense when the points lies on a same line, then the area of a triangle is 0. Okay, that means det is equal to 0. Next, similarly as like area of a triangle, we can also find area of quadrilaterals whose vertices are. For triangle, 3 vertices will be there. For area of quadrilateral 4 vertices will be there. For that formula, so this is the formula of x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x2 y3. Similarly, so instead of remembering this formula, so this is the shortcut for this formula, that is of x1 y1, first vertex, second vertex, third vertex, fourth vertex, and again that first vertex. So in a cyclic way you need to write first point, second point, third, fourth, and again first. See, after that you need to find the det like this for these two, x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x2 y3 minus x3 y2 plus so on. All these we need to find. So this is the formula for area of quadrilaterals. Next, so important point, that is locus. Here locus of a moving point is the path traced out by that point under one or more given conditions. Here locus is nothing but for any given curve like f of x. So if you take the collection of all the points, wherever you take, that will satisfy the given function. So those type of paths we will consider as locus. Okay. Next, see, these are the 2 note points, nothing but directly we can apply when they are given in terms of problems. If D, E, F respectively the midpoints of BC and AC and again AB, then A is equal to F minus D plus E, B is equal to D minus E plus F, C is equal to E minus F plus D. See, if they given these 3 midpoints, okay, then easily we can find the points A, B, C by using these formulas. A is equal to F minus D plus C, similarly this. Okay, but you need to remember this order, A, B, C, D, E, F. Next, if A, B, C are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then fourth vertex D is given by D is equal to A minus B plus C. So this is another shortcut to find the fourth vertex, that is A minus B plus C. Next, coming into the most important topics in straight lines, that is slope of a line. The slope of a line we can find in different types of ways based on the given conditions. That will come to know now. The slope of a line is the tangent of the angle made by the line with the x-axis in the positive direction. So that will represent with generally m, which is equal to tan theta, where that condition for that theta is should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than pi. So and that theta always we should consider in a positive direction, nothing but anti-clockwise direction only. Okay. If m is equal to 0, nothing but if slope is equal to 0, then line is parallel to x-axis. So this is x-axis. Okay, like this we will find actually that slope. If slope 0 means, that means line is parallel to x-axis or nothing but on x-axis. If slope is 90, that means that line is perpendicular to x-axis. Okay, next. So these are those type of conditions. If 2 lines are parallel, then slopes are m1 is equal to m2. If 2 lines are parallel like L1 and L2, then slopes are perpendicular, equal. M1 is equal to m2. Next, if 2 lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slope is -1. Okay. When we can conclude that 2 lines are perpendicular by using slope formula, this is L1 and L2. When we can conclude these 2 lines are perpendicular means, if we find m1 and m2, if you multiply those two, we will get -1. Next, slope m is equal to tan theta of a line joining p of x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is given by tan theta is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is an important formula whenever we are going to find slope if they given 2 points. Okay. Next, standard forms of equation of a straight line. Equations. So these are the different types of equations. Equation to coordinate axis and lines parallel to coordinate axis. Okay. If equation of x-axis we will consider as 0. Equation of x-axis. This is x-axis, right? This x-axis equation is nothing but y equal to 0. Now equation of y-axis. This is equation of y-axis we will consider as x equal to 0. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis at a distance a from it is given by y equal to a. For example, if it is at some point a, then this equation of line which is parallel to x-axis we will consider as y equal to a. Why? Because this line is passing through x equal to 0, that's why y equal to 0 equation. If it passing through point a, then we will consider this as y equal to a. Similarly, if a line is parallel to y-axis or nothing but perpendicular to x-axis, if this point is b, okay, 0 comma b, then this line we will consider as x equal to b. So this is about these two lines. Next, slope point form. Slope point form is nothing but whenever we have slope m and a point x1 comma y1, then this is the formula to find the equation. If we have 2 points like x1 y1 and x2 y2, this is the formula to find equation of a straight line. Next, intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a and b are some constants. Those are nothing but x and y intercept respectively. Okay, so this is intercept form. In this, a and b are nothing but x and y intercept respectively. Next, slope intercept form, nothing but y equal to mx plus c, where c is y intercept. Another intercept form is also there, that is y equal to m into x minus d, where d is nothing but x intercept. Next, last one, normal form of a line. So this theory concept is also there, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So this is how we need to find normal form of a line. This normal form is also nothing but equation of a line only. Next, see, these are the concepts you need to remember before going to solve straight lines based questions. Next one, that is equation of a line in general form. So the general form of line we will consider as ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real constant and a and b are not simultaneously 0. That means at a time they won't become 0. If those, we won't consider as an equation of a line in general form. Next, here in this x and y are the variables, where we will consider as general first degree equation in the variables x and y. So if a like equation is in this form, like ax plus by equal to c, then slope of that line is minus a by b, shortcut, and again x intercept is minus c by a. From that ax plus by plus c equal to 0, slope means minus a by b, x intercept means minus c by a, y intercept means minus c by b. See, so many of you will, whenever they give an equation in terms of this, you will convert into intercept form. There you will get x intercept and y intercept. Instead of converting into intercept form, direct shortcut is x intercept is minus c by a, y intercept is minus c by b. Next, angle between two lines. We know that the acute angle theta between the lines whose slopes are m1 and m2 is given by tan theta. See, whenever we are finding angle between two lines, we will consider acute angle only. Okay, that is tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by modulus of 1 plus m1 m2. So this should be always positive. So that's why we will keep modulus here. Now based on this, the lines are parallel if a1 b2 minus a2 b1 equal to 0 or a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Another condition is if the lines are perpendicular, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. So if you didn't understand these 2 points, let us discuss deeply. That is, now you see here, two lines, if these are the two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus ct equal to 0. So this is the again deep introduction for this, like the lines are parallel. Based on this, what are a1 b2, a2 b1, what are a1 a2, what are b1 b2. So here you can understand. So here a1 b1 are coefficients of x and y in first line, a to bt are coefficients of x and y in second line. So based on these two lines, when we can consider it as two lines are coincident, two lines are parallel, two lines are perpendicular, two lines are intersecting, just intersecting. Based on these, okay, those are coincident if a1 by a2 plus equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Parallel if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. If this is also equal to c1 by c2, then we will consider as coincident. Coincident is nothing but a line on a line. Okay. So this is line L1 and this is line L2. So these will be coincident when it is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If two lines are parallel, okay, so then this will be the condition. If two lines are perpendicular, then this will be the condition. If two lines are just intersecting, okay, if two lines are just intersecting, then this will be the condition. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. And then next, the length of the perpendicular from a point p of x1 y1 to a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is d. Okay, for example, if it is a point p, okay, if it is a point p of x1 comma y1 and this is a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then the length of this perpendicular, nothing but the distance from this point to this line, so that we will consider as ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square in terms of modulus. Why? Because distance is always positive. Next, the distance between two parallel lines, this is an L1 and this is L2. The distance between two parallel lines ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0, ax plus by plus ct equal to 0. If you identify clearly here, these two lines are parallel. Why? Because these are coefficients are equal. Here x coefficient and y coefficient. So that distance between those two parallel lines is given by modulus of c2 minus c1 by square root of a square plus b square. Here in c2 and c1 and c2 are coefficients of those first line equation and second line equation. Next, coming into the concurrency of three lines. Okay, concurrency of three lines, nothing but, for example, when three lines, this is L1, L2 and L3. When three lines intersect at a point, when three lines intersect at a point, that point will consider as concurrent point. Okay, the find point of intersection of two lines. To find this point, okay, to find this point, find the point of intersection of two lines. Okay, point of intersection of two lines. For example, to find this point, let us solve L1 and L2, point of intersection of two lines, and then the point whatever you will get, that you substitute in equation 3, nothing but line L3. If it satisfies, then we will consider as those three are concurrent. Okay, now let us solve the problems. So here in this session I have considered 10 examples, okay, regarding the KCET of straight lines. So the example number 1 is find the distance of the point 2, 3 from the line 2x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0 measured along the line x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So here we need to find, for example, if 2, 3 is a point here, okay, distance of the point 2, 3 from the line, okay, this is the line, that line is 2x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0 and measured along the line x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. That means this line is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we need to find distance of the point 2, 3 from this line. Okay, so in order to that, first, okay, so here we have two methods. One is distance from point to the line, that formula we can write. So that formula already we have discussed. Instead of that, see, if we simplify these two lines, okay, if we simplify these two lines, that is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, 2x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0, nothing but to this equation you multiply with 2, you will get 2x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. If you simplify, what you will get? So minus 3y plus 2y is minus y plus 7 equal to 0. That means y equal to 7. If y equal to 7, substitute in this equation, you will get 2x minus 3 into 7 is 21 plus 9 equal to 0. That means 2x minus 21 plus 9, okay, which will be equal to minus 12. It will become 12. That means x equal to 6. We got x equal to 6 and y equal to 7. That means this point is 6 comma 7. Now to find the distance between 2 points, you use a formula AB, which is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 6 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 3 whole square, which results 4 square 16 plus and again 4 square 16, which is equal to 30 to nothing but 4 root 2. Okay, in those two ways you can solve. So this is another method. So that is 4 root 2. Okay, hope you understood. Next example number 2. There is the find the value of lambda if 3x minus 4y minus 13 equal to 0, 8x minus 11y minus 33 equal to 0, and then 2x minus 3y plus lambda equal to 0 are concurrent. They are telling that those three lines are concurrent, then find the value of lambda. As we have discussed, if three lines are concurrent like L1, L2 and L3, then how to prove that these three are concurrent means, so one method, that is we can apply det for that we have discussed in that concept. Another method I am telling now, that is simplify these two lines L1 and L2 and then substitute in L3. Okay, L1 and L2, so those lines are 3x minus 4y minus 13 equal to 0, and then 8x minus 11y minus 33 equal to 0. So in order to simplify that, this equation you multiply with 8, this equation you multiply with 3, which results 24x minus 8 fours 32y minus 8 13s 104 equal to 0, and then this is 24x minus 33y minus 99 equal to 0. Simplify this, minus plus and plus. These two will be cancelled. 32 minus this is y minus 5 equal to 0. That means y equal to 5. Y equal to 5, substitute in this first or second equation. Y equal to 5 I am substituting in first equation. That means 3x minus 20 minus 13 equal to 0. 3x minus 33 equal to 0. That means x equal to 11. Now we got x value 11 and y equal to 5. Nothing but we got a point 11 comma 5. That point we need to substitute in line L3. So what is that line L3? 2x minus 3y plus lambda equal to 0. That means 2 into 11 minus 3 into 5 plus lambda equal to 0. So this is 22 minus 15 plus lambda equal to 0. This is 7 plus lambda equal to 0. That means lambda equal to minus 7. So this is a very easiest way to simplify the value of lambda. If they given all are constants like C1, C2 and C3, if they are telling to verify whether those three lines are concurrent or not, in that case you find modulus case, which we have discussed in that concept. Otherwise, whenever they are asking to find some lambda or some constant values, you go through this method, solve any two lines, you will get x comma y, that you substitute in the line equation where you need to find the constant. Okay, next. So this is the equation of a line. This is the shortcut method. Equation of the straight line passing through x1 y1 and parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, equation of a straight line which is parallel to this line. Okay, if it is this line, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, another line, the line which is parallel to this, that line which is passing through point x1 comma y1. Okay, now to find that equation of this straight line, the formula is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1, which is equal to 0. Now another shortcut formula to find equation of a line which is passing through a of x1 comma y1, okay, a of x1 comma y1 and perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular to this line, this is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now to find this line equation, that shortcut formula is, okay, this is the shortcut for that, b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 equal to 0. Okay. Next, if the foot of the perpendicular p of x1 comma y1 on ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is q of h comma k. So when we are finding the foot of the perpendicular, nothing but the point q on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, to find this point, the formula is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b, which is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So this is the point they will give, and also equation they will give. We need to find the point h comma k. So if you simplify this, these are the points, you will get constant. If you equate this to this constant, you will get h value. If you equate this point, this value to this constant, you will get k value, nothing but h comma k, that we will consider as foot of the perpendicular. Similarly, if the image of the point p of x1 y1 with respect to x plus by plus c is r of h comma k. So if this is p of x comma y, so if it is like if it is q, foot of the perpendicular, so then this point we will consider as image. Now to find this image, the formula is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times of this, minus 2 times of this. If it is single time, that we will consider for foot of the perpendicular. If you multiply with this 2 times, then you will get this image point h comma k. Remember this. Now based on this, now we will solve the problems. See the question. Find the foot of the perpendicular and the image of the origin with respect to 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So now we need to find both foot of the perpendicular and also the image. See, for the foot of the perpendicular, according to the given points, the point here the given is origin, that means 0 comma 0, and the equation 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. That means this is a comma b points, okay. This is x1 y1 point, and this is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then the formula to find the foot of the perpendicular is h minus x1 by a equal to y minus k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1, nothing but ax plus by plus c divided by a square plus b square. If you substitute that given values, you will get h minus 0 by 3, which is equal to k minus 0 by 4, which is equal to minus 3 times of 0 plus 4 times of 0 minus 5 divided by this 3 square plus 4 square. Nothing but this is h by 3 is equal to k by 4, which is equal to minus into minus plus 5 divided by 9 plus 16, which is 25, that means 1 by 5. Now I will equate these 3. H by 3 equal to 1 by 5, that means h equal to 3 by 5. Here k by 4 equal to 1 by 5, that means k equal to 4 by 5. Now here if you observe, h comma k values are 3 by 5 comma 4 by 5. Here option A and option B also correct, but here we need to find image also. To find that image, what is the formula? See here we got h by 3 comma k by 4, but that means that is equal to 2 times of, right? 2 times of, what is here we got, this is 1 by 5, 2 times of 1 by 5, that means 2 by 5. So h by 3 equal to 2 by 5, that means h equal to 6 by 5. And again k by 4 is equal to 2 by 5, that means k is equal to 8 by 5. So these are the 2 points of, this is image, and here these two are foot of the perpendicular. So our option is option A. Next question. Next example number 4, that is if minus 2 comma 6 is the image of the point 4 comma 2 with respect to the line L equal to 0, then L is equal to 0. See, they said minus 2 comma 6, okay, this is minus 2 comma 6 is the image of this point 4 comma 2 with respect to the line L equal to 0. Now we need to find the equation of L. As you know that if for this point, if it is image, that means this is a foot of the perpendicular, that foot of the perpendicular is nothing but midpoint of these two. For example, if it is PQ, then this will be the midpoint of these two. To find this point, midpoint formula, that is 4 minus 2, nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, which is 4 minus 2, 2 by 2, 1 comma 6 plus 2, 1 comma 4 is the point here. Now by using this 1 comma 4 point, we need to substitute in this equation, which we will get equal to 0, as L equal to 0. That is our required line equation. So first we will verify option A. Substitute 1 comma 4 here. 3 into 1 minus 2 into 4 plus 5, which is equal to 3 minus 3 plus 5, 8 minus 8 equals 0. Option A is correct. And if you have any doubt regarding that, let us verify any remaining options. So which we will get not equal to 0. Let us consider option C. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 4 minus 5, that means 2 plus 12 minus 5, obviously not equal to 0. So our answer is option A, which will be equal to 0, then that is our answer. Next, example number 4. So that is based on the centroid. The centroid of a triangle formed by the point 0, 0, cos theta, sin theta and sin theta, minus cos theta on the line y equal to 2x. Then what about theta? We know that centroid formula G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Similarly, we will add this point 0 plus cos theta plus sin theta is cos theta plus sin theta by 3. Similarly, so again these y coordinates 0 sin theta and minus cos theta, that means this is sin theta minus cos theta divided by 3. So this is the centroid, but they said that the centroid of a triangle formed by these points on the line y equal to 2x, on the line y equal to 2x, that means this is x comma y point. These values we will substitute in this equation, we will get theta. So that is given y equal to 2x. What is y? Sin theta minus cos theta divided by 3 is equal to 2 times of this x. That means 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 3. So these two will be cancelled. Okay. Cos theta you bring it here. Otherwise sin theta you bring here. Sin theta minus 2 sin theta is minus sin theta. 2 cos theta minus cos theta will be 3 cos theta. Now see, as we can consider this as sin by cos, which will be minus tan theta is equal to 3 we got. That means minus you send this side, tan theta is equal to minus 3. That means theta is equal to tan inverse of minus 3, which is option number D. Okay. If the given based on centroid, you need to apply that formula, you will get that point. That point, if you substitute in that given condition, you will get the value theta. This is example number 5. Next, we will go with example number 6. The medians of AD and BE of a triangle with vertices A, B, C given, those are perpendicular to each other if, see here, if this is a triangle A, B, C, okay, these are the medians, this is D. Median is nothing but this is the midpoint of BC, and then similarly here this is E. Okay. A point given 0 comma B, B point given 0 comma 0, this is A comma 0 given. So as these are medians, nothing but D is midpoint of these two. Midpoint of these two, apply formula. This is A by 2 comma 0. If you apply midpoint of these two, you will get A by 2 comma B by 2. Now we got these 2 points. Now here, as the medians AD and BE of a triangle of vertices are perpendicular to each other. If these two are perpendicular to each other, if perpendicular means what? We know condition m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. By using this, we need to find the values of A and B. So one line is AB, that means a slope of AD, and BE we need to take. How to find slope of AD? We know that slope formula. If we have 2 points, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, y2 minus y1, 0 minus b is minus b divided by x2 minus x1. A by 2 minus 0 is A by 2 into m2. Slope of b, y2 minus y1, b by 2 minus 0 is b by 2 divided by x2 minus x1. This is A by 2, which is equal to minus 1. So if you reciprocal this, you will get minus 2b by a into, this is a 2 cancel, this is b by a is equal to minus 1. Here minus 1 both are cancel, you will get 2b square by a square equal to 1. That means 2b square equal to a square. Now you see the options how they are given. Okay, in terms of a given. So as a square equal to 2b square, a we can write as plus or minus root 2 into b. This is option number B. Okay, hope you understood. As they given medians AD and BE, D is nothing but midpoint of BC, E is nothing but midpoint of AC. Find by using midpoint formula, and then to find it whether those two are perpendicular means product of slopes should be equal to minus 1. Based on that you will get the condition of A and B. Next, example number 7. Equation of the line passing through 2, 3 and parallel to 2x minus 3y plus 11 equal to 0 is. So this is example number 7, very important one. They are asking equation of a line passing through 2, 0 and parallel to this line 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So we need to consider parallel to this line means that equation of line will be 2x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. Remember. So set the condition, this is line L which is passing through 2, 3 and parallel to this line 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. As these two lines are parallel, so these two values will be equal 2, minus 3, minus 3. These will be various. Okay, that means you can eliminate remaining options if those are not in form of 2x minus 3y. But all the options are in the form of 2x minus 3y. Now we need to find the value of k. How to find the value of k is just you substitute 2 and 3 in this general form. So if you substitute you will get 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3 plus k equal to 0. 2 to the 4 minus 9 which is equal to minus 5 plus k equal to 0. That means k equal to 5. So substitute the value of k here, that is 5. So our option is option D. Okay. Next one. The equation of the line whose intercept on the x-axis and y-axis are respectively twice and thrice of those by the line 3x plus 4y equal to 12 is. Now this is the equation given, that is 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Okay. So this is the line 3x plus 4y equal to 12. That means if you convert into intercept form, this will become x by 4 plus y by 3 equal to 1. How to convert? Divided by 12 you will get intercept form. Now what they are telling, if you observe the question, the equation of a line whose intercept on x-axis and y-axis are respectively twice and thrice of this line. Twice and thrice of this line. Okay. So this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. Twice and thrice of this line. Twice of this is x by 8. Thrice of this is y by 9 is equal to 1. That means if you cross multiply you will get 9x plus 8y by 72 equal to 1. That means 9x plus 8y is equal to 72. So which is option number B. Okay. Next. Last two examples for this session. Nodi question based on incenter of the triangle. Okay. So idike on the shortcut helತೀನಿ ನಾನು. The incenter of the triangle formed by the axis and the line x by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Okay, incenter of the triangle we need to find. See, previously in the concept we have discussed incenter of the triangle. As I will show that formula once again. Oh, wait, this is, see here. The incenter of a triangle formula is this one. But this one when we will use means if they given those vertices and also ABC are lengths of sides of a triangle. Okay, lengths of sides of a triangle they given, then only we'll consider this formula. But if they ask the incenter of a triangle based on the another line equation, this type of equation, then how we will find the incenter of a triangle is, as here x by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1 given, that means this is a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3, nothing but x and y intercept. Now to find the incenter of the triangle, the formula is, see here all of you, see denominators will be equal for both the denominator is, see here, mod a plus mod b plus square root of a square plus b square. Here also mod a plus mod b plus square root of a square plus b square. When it comes to numerator, this is a into mod b, this is b into mod a. Okay, if you substitute those values, okay, easily you will get that. So now what is a value? A value is 4 into 3 divided by 4 plus 3 plus square root of 16 plus 9 25, that means 5, comma, this is b into a, nothing but 3 into 4, okay, divided by mod a, this is 4 plus 3 plus 5. So what you will get is 4 3s 12 by 4 plus 3 7 7, okay, 12 by 12 comma 12 by 12 we will get, that is nothing but 1 comma 1. So it is option D. Okay, this is the shortcut formula whenever they given this type of line equation to find in center. Next, last question. Nodi, if the line segment joining 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 2 is divided internally in the ratio 3:4 by the line x plus 2y is equal to k, then what about k? See, I will draw the figure, then you can understand easily. So this is the point 2 comma 3 and this is minus 1 comma 2. So these 2 points which is dividing by this line segment in the ratio 3:4. Okay, if the line segment joining 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 2 is divided internally in the ratio 3:4 by the line x plus 2y equal to k. This line is x plus 2y is equal to k. Then what is k? So to find the value of k, first we need to find this intersection point. How to find this intersection point? By using section formula, right? That means, for example, this you consider as h comma k. That h comma k is equal to, we have formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here in this question, m is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. Here this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Substitute here, you will get 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 2 by 3 plus 4, comma 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3 divided by 3 plus 4. So here you will get, this is 5 by 7, comma 3 to 6 plus 12, 18 by 7. Okay, this is 18 by 7. Now here we got h comma k, which is nothing but 5 by 7 comma 18 by 7. Now this point we need to substitute in this line, we will get equal to k. So here they given x plus 2y equal to k, then I will consider as k is equal to x plus 2y. X is 5 by 7 plus 2 times of 18 by 7, which is 5 plus 2 18s, okay, 36 divided by 7, which is equal to 41 by 7. Okay, so when it comes to this question, option A is correct. So this is the class regarding synopsis and concept and very important formulas of straight lines and also coordinate geometry, and we have discussed some important 10 examples also. After that I will give the PDF of the practice problems with solutions, okay, that you verify and ask if you have any doubts regarding that. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.